Welcome back and congratulations on securing your copy of the Covert Video Press theme. And I know you're keen to get inside and start building your first video sites, but before you continue, we have a one-time special offer for new members only. This is optional, but you will only be presented with this offer once, so please pay attention. This is your opportunity to put your Covert Video Press profits into overdrive with the advanced features of the Covert Content Plugin. This professional WordPress plugin has been designed specifically to work hand in hand with your Covert Video Press theme to maximize your profits with auto blogging on steroids. The Covert Content Plugin makes it super simple for you to automate your video blog niche sites. You can grab videos from YouTube, Vimeo and Dailymotion on autopilot, creating auto blog posts complete with descriptions and comments, so you don't have to write a single word or create any videos ever. Sounds pretty good, right? So let's go take a look at just how easy it is to use. So here we are in the settings area for the Covert Video Content plugin. And the first thing we need to do is to come up with some keywords that the plugin can use to find videos that are related to the niche you are targeting for this site. In this case, I've simply gone with the World Cup 2018 and the names of 10 of the top players from the tournament, as they are likely to be getting a lot of related searches right now. And you can put up to 100 keywords in, so you can go pretty deep, which can help to pick up some good long tail traffic. Then we have a section covering all the different post creation options available. This includes whether new posts should be automatically published or set as draft posts so you can check them before posting, and whether tags should be automatically created for the posts, as well as a list of common words to rule out, and whether you want to grab the existing comments from the video for your posts. You can also randomize this. Then there's the option to store the video thumbnails locally, although this will use more space on your host and more resources for your server, but it will be quicker to load. And you can set an initial rating for each video, as well as whether to pick up the existing video count or create one if there isn't one already. You can also have multiple authors for the post as well if you want, to make your blog look more natural with a variety of posts from different people. And there's a random author or name generator built in that will create new WordPress users to make this quick and easy for you. Once you've tweaked the general settings that you want, simply hit the Update Settings button and you can then move on to selecting which of the video sites you'll be using. You'll notice that there are options for running auto post campaigns for YouTube, Dailymotion and Vimeo. Now it's worth noting that you will need an API key to pull videos from both YouTube and Dailymotion. Both are free and there are instructions on how to get an API set up, and it only takes a few moments to do. Okay, so let's have a run through the settings available on YouTube as an example of what you can do. First up, the tick box at the top here is very important, as the auto blogging feature won't be live until you tick this and update the settings. Next, you can decide how many posts you want created for you each hour, day, week, or whatever time period you choose based on a number of hours. Now, how often you want to post will vary according to the niche that you're building sites for. Some niches will have massive amounts of content available, others not so much. As a general rule, if you're not sure, 1 or 2 posts every 24 hours usually works pretty well. There is an option to switch off the keyword search function and just pull a random selection of videos from whichever category you want on YouTube. This can be useful if you're just looking for some general content to post, but isn't great for automating your niche content posts. And you have some general API search settings that you can also play with underneath, such as pulling in videos for a specific language or cutting out the possibility of video with profanity in them. You can also select the categories that you want posts to be added to, from all of the categories to one random category from those that you select, or, and this is my favorite, to the category that matches the keyword that the post is for, and it will create a category for that keyword if there isn't one, which saves you having to set up a new category whenever you add new keywords. Okay, so let's scroll down a little bit and click on Update Settings, and then we'll head back to the general settings page so that we can actually see the auto posting in action. Now you'll notice at the top there's a little box here which tells us when the auto post function last ran for each video site and when it's next due to run. We also have an option to run the auto blogging feature now to get a new post rather than waiting until tomorrow, so let's do that. Okay, so let's now go across to the posts, all posts page, and we can see that we've got a brand new post that was done 1 minute ago. So the auto poster has picked up a new video for us based on our keywords for Thomas Mühner with a new author, and it's posted with the tags. So let's go across to the site itself and hit refresh, and the new post will appear here at the top with the recent articles. Let's click on that and bring up the post itself. And if I scroll down, you can see it's picked up the video, the description, the title, it's given it a rating automatically, it's got the number of views for that particular video along with the tags, the category it's from or the category it's posted to for us, some related videos, and if we scroll down, it can see it's picked up a selection of the comments from that video on YouTube. So all good, fresh, unique content automatically posted to your video blog. Now let's pop back over to the settings page, as there's one more cool bit you should really see. Okay, so let's say you've just set up a brand new blog and you want to get a bit of content on it straight away so that anybody visiting doesn't find an empty site. Again, Covert Content has you covered. Simply click on the Import Now link at the top here and you can pull in as many fresh new posts in one go as a batch as you need. Okay, so let's run this now for a quick example. I'll simply choose a keyword, update the category, and let's say I just want 3. Rather than setting them to published, I'm going to throw them into draft so that we can have a look at them before making them live. So I've simply clicked on the Do Import, and as you can see, it really doesn't take very long. We now have 3 new posts, and if we go across to our post page and hit refresh, we should see the 3 new ones appear here in our pending draft posts list. Then simply repeat the process for any other seed keywords you want to use to get your new site fleshed out with new content, and with your video posting campaign set up to auto blogging mode, you can then walk away and leave your new niche video blog to grow on complete autopilot. So by now you can see just how easy it is to run a hands-free video blog in any niche, with endless fresh content pulled in from YouTube, Vimeo and Dailymotion as frequently as you want. In other words, Covert Content is by far your quickest and easiest way to create fresh, unique content for your own niche video sites and to automate the whole process. Now this is a limited one-time only offer for new Covert Video Press members. We will be selling this for at least $97 after this limited release offer ends. And remember, you get full over-the-shoulder video tutorials to make sure you get the absolute most out of your new plugin. And we include free ongoing updates so you'll never be left behind. And just for this launch offer, we are including multi-site and site flipping licenses, so you can install the plugin on as many of your sites as you want, as well as flip your sites for quick profits. But you need to act now. The price will be going up again very soon, and the multi-site and site flipping license will be removed. So please scroll down now and grab your copy today, and we'll see you on the inside.